topic which I was finding a lot during my preparation time. I was finding such kind of videos. I was finding this answer for a very long time, and I'm pretty sure when you will see this video, you will also get the answer to your problem. And if you're not facing this problem right now, you may face it later on. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanika Popli and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm first year resident and I'm pursuing MD Dermatology. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let's make this channel a very big success together. Okay, so now what topic I'm going to talk about is something which you need to understand it very carefully and fix that thing which I am telling you right now completely in your heart, mind and soul. ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ होगा that you have given a GT and you are scoring 600 something. And suddenly you give one more GT and you drop down to 500 or even less. Not just this. ऐसे भी बहुत बार हुआ होगा that you would think that चलो I'll just sleep for 10 minutes. And you set the alarm for 10 minutes but you end up waking after 2 hours, 3 hours or even just the next day. I'm pretty sure everyone must have undergone this one or both of the things. Yes, and not just this, there are many other things which gives us the feeling of regret, the feeling of negative thoughts, the feeling of अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? But this is what I want to talk about. Everyone, be it the person who would secure the first rank in this entrance exam or who did secure rank 1 in all the exams which have taken place ever. There's no one who has never faced this situation. Okay, so बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that you set an alarm or you just do not wake up or even you downgrade your performance in the next or the upcoming GTs. It is completely fine. Just do not waste time in that regret. Do not waste time in that thought process कि अब क्या होगा, अब कैसे करें, लोगों के तो कम नहीं आते होंगे. And I'm telling you, बहुत एक बार ऐसे होता है that we always knock the doors of other people and ask them that do you also face the same situation? Are you also facing the same situation that your score is reducing or you do not wake up on time or you're not able to stay awake for a very long time? So instead of doing that, instead of staying in regrets, instead of feeling negative or feeling bad about yourself, remember it is completely fine. And now just forget what has happened. Let's just move ahead. Instead of thinking that what has gone through, if you move ahead, you would save your time, you would save your energy and you would step ahead. Life is all about moving on. It is fine if you have not scored good. It is fine that if you have slept more than what you wanted to. Maybe just if you look at the positive side, maybe it was required for your body. That sleep was much needed. Maybe now when you study, you would have that extra push, extra energy in you, extra power, extra fuel. Or even if your GT score is less, maybe that is again a very positive sign for you to study more. More hard work is required, right? So just do not look at the negative aspect of whatever wrong is happening in your life. Just look at the positive aspect. Do not waste time in thinking. No matter how harsh a person can be with themselves, there would come days when you cannot study the whole day. There would come days when the productivity from 10 hours would be just 1 hour. There would be so many days like this. But the winner is the one who do not overthink about the problem. The winner is the one who wakes up, gears up and again pushes himself or herself again into that study zone. So now be a winner. Don't put your thought process कि अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इतना हो गया, इतनी मैंने time waste कर दिया. And then when you are feeling bad about it, I'm sure that you are calling your friends, you are asking your other people for help that यार मेरे साथ ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया. So instead of you just wasted that 1 hour or 2 hours of extra sleep, or your GT result must have wasted like 10-20 minutes. You now, because of your overthinking process, would waste one more entire day. So don't do that. Always have a positive approach. Don't keep any regrets. No regrets. There is no time for regrets. Just Understand that, okay, fine, it was a mistake. Do accept your mistake, do accept it, but look for the solution. Don't overthink your problem. As I said, everyone in the world do face this kind of problem, but the winner is the one who reacts to the problem in a positive manner, in a positive approach. So have a positive approach. Nothing has been lost till now. Gear up. Even if you haven't scored good in GT, or if you've slept a lot, or any other situation, come on, it is fine. Now don't think of it, don't overthink. Just jaldi se books open karo and just study with much more power and enthusiasm. Okay everyone, all the best and rock the exam. Bye.